Phase 2 lasts from 5 to 6 weeks. You'll start the patient out doing internal and external rotation using a TheraBand. With internal rotation, make sure that they don't move past neutral position. Begin. And then for external rotation, just have them rotate their body. And then you're just gonna have them pull directly outwards. Once those exercises are completed, 2 exercises you do while standing flexion to 90 degrees, and bicep curls. Just hold this, arm straight by your side, come up to your shoulder. All right, next you do the bicep curls. Turn to your side, and just curl. All right, once these are completed, instruct the patient to lay down on the table. Once you have the patient laying on the table, you can begin your prone rows. Hand them the weight, instruct them to hang their arm straight down by their side and bring their elbow straight up to the ceiling. Once the patient completes these, you can begin prone extension. Tell them to bring their arms straight back to their waist. And once they're done with these, the last exercise of phase 2 is the side lying external rotation. Instruct the patient to lay on their side, hand them the dumbbell, tell them just rotate their arm upwards. That's it for phase 2.